Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Ford EcoSport Titanium in white platinum. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup window, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MARINOSCJD.com, stock number D6132A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.